It's the 12th of December, and I'm literally just now getting to something that I got like 3 weeks ago. I'm so behind on my unboxings, but you gotta start somewhere. So this is from LM Leather Goods, 3 generations deep. Something I had my eye on forever. And my husband had a really nice pair of glasses that broke because it was in kind of a junky case. And they had an awesome Black Friday sale. And I got this for him. I really like this company. I've reviewed for them their envelope clutch purse with its super unique handle. And I have reviewed for them their Wentworth tote, which is literally the smallest bag on the market that fits a 9x13 laptop. So I defy you to find one that's any smaller. I'm sure you guys are going to challenge me on that. I can't seem to lower this knife, so I'm just going to put it down. Anyways, cutesy patootsy, a little sticker. Patchwell, that's how it looks, by the way. And this is their unbelievably, smells like leather, gorgeous brown case. I cannot get enough of this. It's lined with microsuede, by the way. Dustless, but keeps your glasses safe from scratches. And I love this closure. I love it in the antique brass. It's so adorable. That's it. It's a tiny little case. I'll put a couple different standard pairs of sunglasses in there, and I'll report back to you guys on the full review. Maybe I'll do a little Wentworth thrown in there and see what fits with the laptop. Maybe this fits in there. But that's it. LM Leather Goods. Thank you so much for watching.